Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the comparison of host versus host binding and the host listener. When to use host? Preferred for the simplicity. Use the host property when your host bindings and the event listeners are straightforward. Avoid for the highly dynamic logic. If your host binding logic is complex, depends on many methods and the conditions, use the host binding and the host listener for the better clarity and the control. Using the host property simplifies the code for consolidating all the bindings and the listeners in one place, making it preferred approach in Angular 19 plus. However, for the scenarios requiring highly dynamic behavior, the host binding and the host listener decorator still provide flexibility. So let's do the comparison. Feature, host binding and the host listener, host property in at the rate component. Readability, scattered across the class. Okay, scattered and centralized in one place. Code maintenance, harder as complexity increases, easier to track and manage. Verbosity requires multiple decorators. Okay, more concise and less repetitive. Flexibility, more powerful for highly dynamic logic, best for the straightforward bindings. So this is what the comparison of the host versus host binding and the host listener. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.